Whatever you are, pal. I'm Maggie Pesky. Remember that name because one day...
Yeah!
I'm gonna be a famous rock star. But today, I play for free. So sit back, relax, and get ready for some rockin' Toonskis.
E.
Hey, Max. I see you found a quiet, totally deserted place to practice.
Yeah, right.
Well, I won't bug you. I'll just keep joyously skipping along.
Whoa, Yuppie. What are you so happy about?
Well, there's this fly in my class.
You've got a crush? That is so cute.
No, Lucy's cute. She's got big eyes, a pretty smile, hairy legs.
When do I get to meet this lucky bug?
Right after I do. I kind of haven't talked to her yet.
Puppy, she'll never know you like her if you don't say anything.
I know, but I'm way too shy to talk to her. So, I wrote a song, and I'm gonna sing it to her tomorrow at Show and Tell instead. Then, she'll finally notice me.
Puppy, you want to really impress Lucy? Have a real live rock star sing your song.
But I don't know any rock stars. Oh, I get it. You know some rock stars. Could you talk to them? Or you could sing my song to Lucy. That would be awesome.
I'd be happy to, little bro.
Great, because we'll never get a real rock star by tomorrow.
Light up my heart like toxic waves glowing in the dark. Every time I join you, my heart goes aflutter. We're losing the crowd. Tony the big green tick had a nose that he loved to pick. Tony the big green tick had a nose that he loved to pick. Tony the big green tick had a nose that he loved to pick. Tony the big green tick had a nose that he loved to pick. Yeah!
Maggie, what happened?
Wasn't it fantabulous? I totally connected with my audience.
You were awesome!
Yuck. I just hugged a slug. Ugh.
But why'd you stop singing my song?
I mean, Tony the big green tick. That was gold, baby. And I just made it up. What a rush!
It's just, you were supposed to.
Bird? I'm having a birthday party tomorrow, and I was wondering...
Oh boy, here it comes.
If your sister could play at my party, could you, Maggie, please, 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 please? Hey, Puppy, what's his almost totally uber-famous rock star? Zebra? Leopard? Or Wiggle Legs?
Whatever.
You're right. If one bird's out, they all go. I'm going leopard.
Have fun at Lucy's party. I'll be in my room, alone, in the dark.
Oh, Puppy, I meant to finish your song. I really did. It's just...
Bring me back a piece of rotten cake and, maybe a new heart to replace this broken one. But only if they have them.
I know. You can come with me and be my roadie. You know, lug my guitar, my amp, all my equipment.
Gee, sounds great.
That way you'll be with me when I sing your song at Lucy's very own birthday party, which makes it like a birthday present. Yippee! Let's go get your girl.
Oh, right.
Of course! You're not just my roadie, you're my brother. I thought I told you to tune this.
You know, Maggie, you know what those kids out there love about you the most?
My talent?
Nope.
My looks?
Nope.
My hair color?
Nope. What these kids love about you is that you skip the sappy love songs and go right to the stuff that matters most to them in their lives. You know, like boogers. He had a nose he loved to pick. Ah, that song gets me every single time.
The little monsters are all yours.
Right, everybody! Who's ready to pick their nose?
Best seats are in the pool!
Tony,
Here,
the big
hold this
green
for
kid,
me.
had a nose that he loved to pick.
Yeah,
His
this
mom
too.
said use a tissue, but he said I don't need to. I went to wipe my boogers on my sleeve. Tony, the big green kid, na 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 na. Okay, you've all been great. I just got one very special song to sing before I go.
Goody.
Tony the Tick!
I sang that already.
Tony the Tick! Tony the Tick! Tony the Tick!
Sing it, or we'll tell our mommies.
We'll tell our mommies! We'll tell our mommies! We'll tell our mommies!
You didn't sing it.
I know, I'm sorry.
You promised and you promised and you promised and you still didn't do it.
I know, but it's just, I'm too big now. Everybody expects me to be a certain way. I'm afraid if I sing it now, they'll all turn against me.
Oh, well, then I guess you won't sing it for me here either.
Cheesy McBuzzy calls? They want me to perform in their family-style restaurant and arcade? Man, that's like the kitty big time. Next stop, full tours across the world. So basically, yes, you're right. I won't sing your song at Cheesy McBuzzy. But I've got an idea. Tomorrow, you bring Lucy to the playground, and I'll sing your song to just the two of you. With no one else around to hear me do it. Absolutely no one. At all. No one.
Just the two of us.
It's gonna be your moment, kiddo. I won't let you down.
Oh, it's Maggie Beth. My name is Tony. I'm a tick, and I really do have a nose I love to pick.
Look, I'm sorry, but I've gotta be somewhere. I'll see you all at my concert tonight, okay? Hubert, I'm so sorry. I got here as soon as I could. Please don't hate me.
Yeah, whatever.
But I'll still see you at the show tonight, right? My big break, remember? Puby? Hello, Cheesy McBuzzy! Are you ready to rock? Okay then. This is a song someone special to me wrote for someone special to him. It's not about boogers, but a promise is a promise. This goes out to Lucy. Every time that you're near, my heart goes a-flutter. I've never seen such beauty, not even in the gutter.
What is this line?
You're sweeter than sweet dill meat above the clouds.
Great! Now what am I supposed to do with these?
I'll take one.
Alright, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Buzz on Maggie Random Sounds. And I will see you tomorrow for a brand new episode. Peace!